Bitcoin money basically is a mid-position digital money as of now estimated at $225.99 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $4,427,297 versus the in a real sense thought. Over the past by and large couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out in every practical sense, solid traction in the worldwide monetary world, and truly are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, in a for the most part huge way. A few institutional financial backers even basically consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in a huge way. Retail financial backers and merchants essentially are really keen on digital currencies, genuinely, for example, BCH in light of the fact that this especially is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources generally have the very potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately exceptionally brief timeframe amazingly. These profits explicitly are fundamentally unreachable in certainly different business sectors, which generally is the justification for why most essentially moderate financial backers essentially are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money. While the groundbreaking ones for the most part dedicate a huge piece of their by and large cash flow to this quickly creating resource class. At this in every practical sense, specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $225.99, where it right now truly sits in a quite huge manner. As currently referenced, BCH is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 22nd spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the in every practical sense metric that most still up in the air, by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization for the most part remains at $4,427,297. The significance of this boundary will in every practical sense be fundamentally made sense of later, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Our cost expectation calculation in every practical sense is planned so that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to fundamentally give our endorsers the most reliable data on the exceptionally present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily especially survey the condition of their portfolio and especially choose whether or not it explicitly needs to in a real sense be reconfigured, showing that over the precise past not very many years, cryptographic forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out a kind of solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and explicitly are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, in a kind of huge way. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which in every practical sense is truly imperative for the right assessment of both most certainly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its essentially present and future course, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Underneath you will find genuinely key extracts of this authentic information with the goal that you also could especially have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market for the most part is going, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on November 17, BCH truly was esteemed at $234.32 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Truly recollect that digital forms of money really are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which is very critical. The cost change, rate-wise, over the expressed period in every way that really matters, added up to 1.78% in an exceptionally huge manner. 7 days prior, on November 11, Bitcoin money basically was exchanged at $239.93 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that by and large near its essentially present position, or so they for the most part thought. On October 18, which explicitly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $227.18, the cost level that fundamentally is at the distance of 0.53% from where it presently stands, which truly is very huge. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX in every practical sense are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Market capitalization is one more significant fundamentally metric that really assists merchants generally with deciding the fame of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in a significant manner. It's additionally used to sort of evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money holds inside the whole digital currency market, which basically is very critical. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization basically is fairly straightforward. The circling supply of the money being referred to generally is duplicated by its sort of current cost. Exhibiting how market capitalization in a real sense is another significant by and large metric that certainly assists traders with truly deciding the ubiquity of the digital currency being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in an especially significant manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH sort of stands at $4,427,297. Enough to name it the 22nd sort of the biggest coin on the digital money market, versus the thought. Yesterday, on November 17, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money generally remained at $4,583,370 560 amazingly. 7 days prior, on November 11, the capitalization of BCH certainly was $4,690 970 302, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. A month prior, on October 18, how much capital streaming around this exceptionally specific market added up to $4,438,087 388, which essentially is genuinely critical. Most cryptographic money financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a by and large certain digital currency and its capacity to, in every practical sense, endure disturbances which in every way that really matters are the especially normal event on this exceptionally unstable market in an extremely enormous manner. The very most extreme inventory of Bitcoin money is 21,000,000 BCH. The absolute stockpile of BCH presently truly remains at 19,561,969 coins, or so they basically thought. The circling supply of the digital currency under survey generally is 19,561,969 BCH in an unpretentious manner. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't be in every practical sense complete without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the truly metric utilized by basically all digital currency merchants to basically affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move, exhibiting how as of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH generally remains at $4,427,297. Enough to name it the 22nd fundamentally the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, which truly is genuinely critical. For example, on the off chance that the breakout to the potential gain certainly is happening on the rear of the by and large low exchanging volume, there especially is a high likelihood that this move truly is unreasonable and would basically bring about a bullish snare kind of additional appearance. How, for example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain generally is happening on the rear of the extremely low exchanging volume, there for the most part is a very high likelihood that this move is impractical and would essentially bring about a bullish snare, which most